What's going on, barbers? Are you in your first year and struggling to build a clientele? I'm here to help you make a real impact in your first year. I've got the exact roadmap you need to get to 10K a month in your very first year as a qualified barber. I'm going to break this down into 6 digestible steps. I'll start with identifying your addressable market, then move on to focusing on great service. Next, I'll reveal the power of word-of-mouth marketing and then explore some creative marketing strategies. I'll also talk about building a solid financial foundation, and finally, I'll discuss planning for the future. Hey, don't forget to smash that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more barbering gold. Stick around till the end for a chance to win free access to my Barber Mastermind group. Let's dive into Step 1. Step 1. Identify your addressable market. Every successful venture begins with understanding who your customers are. In the world of barbering, it's essential for you to recognize your largest addressable market. Picture this. You've just qualified as a barber, your shears are sharp, your apron is new, and you're ready to conquer the world. But wait, before you dive into the sea of hair and scissors, you need to know where you're swimming. It might be tempting to follow every trend you see on social media, offering everything from classic cuts to the latest fades. However, being a jack of all trades can often mean being a master of none. Instead, you should focus on identifying your primary customer base. Consider the demographic that frequents your area. Are they students, professionals, retirees? What kind of hairstyles are they likely to? This doesn't mean you should limit your skills or creativity, but rather use them more strategically. By catering to the needs and preferences of your largest addressable market, you can deliver services they truly want, thus enhancing your reputation and customer loyalty. Remember, your market is the foundation of your business. It's the soil in which your barbering roots grow. Nurture it, understand it, and watch as your business flourishes. Now, with your market identified, let's move on to Step 2. Step 2. Focus on offering a great service. It's not about how many services you offer, it's about how well you do them. Shift your perspective a bit. You might think you need to be a jack of all trades, offering everything from trims to hot towel shaves to hair coloring. But that's a myth, and here's why. When you try to be everything to everyone, you often end up being nothing to no one. Instead, focus on mastering the art of a good, simple haircut. Think about it. What's the one service every barbershop offers? Precisely, a haircut. It's a universal need, and if you can excel at that, you're already ahead of the game. Imagine being known as the barber who gives the best haircuts in town. That's the kind of reputation that not only attracts clients, but keeps them coming back. And remember, repeat customers are the lifeblood of any business. You may feel the pressure to keep up with the latest trends and techniques, but never at the expense of your core service. Stay updated, yes, but stay grounded in the basics too. As you grow, you can slowly introduce new services, but only when you're confident you can provide them at a top-notch level. This way you maintain your reputation for quality and keep your clients satisfied. Always wins over quantity. Now, on to the next step. Step 3. Push for word of mouth. Never underestimate the power of a good recommendation. In the barbering world, a satisfied customer is your best advertisement. They walk out of my shop, showcasing my work, and if they're pleased with my service, they're likely to recommend me to their friends, family, and colleagues. Now, you might be thinking, but I'm not a natural salesman. I'm not good at promoting myself. Don't worry, you don't have to be. You see, when I provide a great service, my work speaks for itself. And when customers are happy, they naturally want to tell others about their positive experience. So, how do you encourage this? Well, consider offering a referral program, perhaps a discount on their next haircut for every new customer they bring in. Not only does this motivate your existing customers to spread the word about my business, but it also fosters a sense of loyalty and community. Remember, the barbering business is about relationships. It's about building trust with your customers. And there is no better way to build trust than through word-of-mouth marketing. It's personal, it's genuine, and it's incredibly effective. A good word from a satisfied customer is worth its weight in gold. Now, let's look at alternative marketing strategies. There's more than one way to get your name out there. Let's face it, in an era where digital marketing is king, standing out can be a challenging task. But fear not, because with a little creativity, you can make a big splash without needing to approach people individually. Consider strategies like social media contests, where you can win a free haircut for yourself and a friend. This not only incentivizes your existing clientele to spread the word about your business, but it also brings in new potential customers. Or how about collaborating with local businesses? Partnering with a local coffee shop, for instance, could mean offering a discount to their customers on their next haircut. This is a win-win situation, as it promotes both your businesses. Content creation is another powerful tool at your disposal. Starting a blog or a YouTube channel offering hair care tips can establish you as an expert in your field. This not only builds trust with your audience, but it also improves your online visibility. And let's not forget about email marketing. By collecting email addresses from your customers, you can keep them updated with the latest offers, events, or even just a friendly reminder for their next haircut. Remember, creativity is key in marketing. Now, let's talk money. Build your financial foundation. Having a strong financial base is a must for your long-term success. Now, I'm going to dive into the nitty-gritty of building your financial fortress. Think of your finances as the foundation of a house. Without a solid base, the whole structure collapses. First things first, you need to manage your income effectively. You don't need to be a mathematical genius, just smart about handling your money. Track your income and expenses meticulously. Be aware of where every penny is going. This way, you can identify where you can cut back and where you can invest more. Next, setting aside a portion of your income as savings is crucial. Even if it's a small amount at first, it will grow over time. This will not only give you a safety net in case of emergencies, but also provide you with funds to reinvest in your business. Also, consider investing in a retirement fund or a pension scheme. Finally, remember that building a strong financial foundation is not just about making money. It's about making smart decisions with your money. Avoid unnecessary debts and always aim for financial stability over quick, risky gains. Building your financial foundation may not be the most glamorous part of being a barber, but trust me, it's one of the most important. It's what will keep you afloat when times are tough and propel you forward when opportunities arise. A solid financial base will set you up for success. Now let's plan for the future. Step 6. Plan for the future. Big dreams start with small steps. Now, as a newly minted barber, you might think it's too early to plan for the future. But trust me, the best time to plan for the future is always now. It's 5 years from today. Where do you see yourself? Owning your own barbershop? Buying a house? Traveling the world? These dreams might seem far away right now, but every step you take today brings you closer to them. That's why it's essential to have long-term goals and a plan to achieve them. A saying, a goal without a plan is just a wish. And you're not here to wish, are you? You're here to make things happen. So start by visualizing your future. Then set your goals and break them down into actionable steps. For example, if owning a barbershop is your dream, start by researching what it takes to open one. How much would it cost? How can you save for it? What skills would you need? In the same vein, plan for future investments. As your income grows, it's important to make your money work for you. Investing in the right places can provide you with a financial safety net and help fund your dreams. Remember, the future starts now. Now let's wrap things up. We've covered a lot today. From identifying your market to planning for the future, you've discovered the power of focusing on what you do best and serving your clients with excellence. We've explored the might of word-of-mouth marketing and the vast potential of creative advertising. We've talked about the importance of building a financial foundation that can withstand storms and how long-term planning can steer your ship towards success. Now it's time for you to take these insights and apply them. Remember, a substantial part of the journey is starting. So let's get going and shape your future one haircut at a time. And here's an exciting part. You stand a chance to win free access to my Barber Mastermind group. Just comment Barber Life on this video and get the chance to join a community that supports each other in reaching that 10K a month goal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, your journey to a 10K a month schedule starts now.